So what exactly is a forum? More than 25% of the queries in search engine are direct questions. Example, how to increase height, how to reduce weight. So like these are some health based questions. Likewise, there could be questions on general knowledge. There could be some questions on debatable topics. Who should be winning the next elections? So generally such kind of questions where the answers are not direct but they are with the public, where the public opinion matters, you will be finding forums in the results. Example, in my domain, stock market. Lot of people may be searching Google for which stocks to buy. Should I enter the market? Which mutual funds to buy? Which is the best investment? Where the real estate is likely to grow? So such kind of questions where the answers are with the multiple people. Everybody posts their views on it. Such kind of sites are called as forums. I'm sure you all might have heard about Quora.com. In the last 2-3 years, it has got a lot of name. So right now, the most popular forum is Quora. It's a general forum. In different categories, you will find the discussion there. Let us have a look at a sample forum, Tradergy.com. It's a stock market forum. Every forum has got the same look and feel. In the home page, you are going to find the main topics. Inside that, there will be subtopics. And upon that subtopics, the registered users will be discussing, posting their views, replying to each other. So these are the main topics. Let's say we click on anyone. So some member, SP Toshniwal, is asking about the Pro Stocks broking company. We can even place links in the forum. I'll get back to this point. Marimutu is replying to him. So what and all questions they have got, they're just replying it. There is consumer forum, which is the best product to buy, or you have got any complaints in the product, you can post your review. It all goes on into different pages. One more guy, Hitesh05 has joined. Against Tide has joined. How is your offer better than Finvista? They are providing brokerage free trading. Okay, likewise it goes on. In simple words, it's an offline chat. So group of people chatting but in the offline mode. So today that you have posted a query, maybe the reply will come after few days. So you'll have to wait for your reply. Whenever someone is replying to your post, you'll be notified through the email. Now, as an SEO professional, I need to go into such kind of forum pages where the main topic of discussion is my keyword. So if I want a backlink for, let's say, Flipkart coupons, I should be going into that kind of page where the discussion is regarding the Flipkart discount code, Flipkart coupons and all that. From such pages, register, login, register in that forum site, login, and in that page where the discussion is going on, reply. Leave some meaningful reply, and along with the reply message, attach your backlink code. Like blog, forum backlinks are also equally powerful, because you are going to get a backlink from the page which is already ranking on top. And who is your direct competitor? The difference between blog and forum is, in blog 90% content is managed by the website owner, 10% by the comments. While in the forum it is other way around. only 10% of the content is managed by the admin. He'll only create the main topic, subtopic and post a question, and the people will go on with the answers. Now forums are popular because you get to know the view of the different people. Let's say I'm searching for how to reduce weight. One person will reply saying that you got to have proper diet. Second person will say that you need to have proper exercise. Third will say that it is genetic. Fourth will say that these are some advanced treatment in the medical world. And then fifth person will reply saying that no, the fourth option is not good. I've already suffered with it and I find that exercise is a better way. Sixth person will join and will interfere and say that no, you need to have proper supplements. So like that I get to know even from the strangers who are actually giving me a friendly advice. It will make your decision making easy. It will give you more knowledge. So especially for the people who have no experience but require knowledge from the experienced people, you will find forum pages in the results. Today let's say that I have no knowledge about the stock market, but there are a bunch of people who are ready to help. If I just type a question here, which stocks to buy in India, the future stocks, future big companies of India, everybody will give their own list and they will justify why so and so side. Now read that, then understand whether it really works out and then take a decision. So maybe within your network in the physical world you may not be having any contacts, but at least through online you can get some help. Which is the best painkiller? What is the best remedy for tooth pain? Home remedies, a lot of people search. So there you get multiple answers. So when there's a group giving a common solution, then you can rely on it. That is how the forum works. But thinking from an angle of an SEO executive, you need to target such forum pages where the discussion is regarding your keyword and help that forum page to add content. That's what a forum owner wants. The owner of the forum is ready to give you a backlink, but he wants lot of matter. Instead of paying to the content writers, he says that I will pay you the backlink. For him, there is no loss, of course. So that's a mutual benefit we both of them have. He gets the content, we get the backlink. The difference between blog commenting and forums: in blog commenting you can directly post the comment in most of the websites, while in forum you need to register and log in before you can post a reply. The approval rate of forum is more than 50%, while for blog it is nearly 20%. So forums have got better approval rate. But then why do I emphasize more on blog commenting? That's the obvious question. It takes lot of time at times in order to get the links into your messages. Most of the forum owners, they will not allow you to place a backlink till you have completed at least 1, 5, 10 plain text replies. They want you to first add quality content, only then they would be allowing the link. They have some threshold. Depending upon the site, some site will allow in the first message itself the link, while majority of them they'll say that 5 plain text message replies are required. Some will say even 10, some will say even 20. So you require patience in order to get a backlink from forum. Nevertheless, because the value of the backlink is really good, though it may take time, it is a little time consuming, worth spending time. You don't have to do hundreds of forum discussion. I'll tell you the limit. So let's develop some backlinks. In the same process, you can continue with all the rest of the forum sites. In order to get the list of the forums, I told you from step number 5, you will have to develop the list by yourself. So we want those pages where the discussion is regarding our keyword. For that, you need to search in this fashion. Example, in URL :forum Flipkart coupons. All these are the forum pages where the discussion is regarding the keyword. And you very well know how to do the setting to get from 10 to 100 and how to download the results using the SEO Quick. So likewise, you'll be able to create your own Excel sheet with the list of the sites where you can target the backlinks. Right now, we'll see some sample submission. So let us first publish a page. I do not have any coupon based site, but let us assume that I'm targeting a keyword, uh, baby oil coupons. Baby oil is a site doing well for baby products, kids product. So some terms and conditions, and what is a coupon code, what offer they can get with it. Okay, some dummy matter. Publish. Now that I have a page, I need to target the web pages where the discussion is regarding my keyword. So how do I need to search? Like this: in URL colon forum, all the results are going to be forum, and then my topic. Now there are 283 pages, 83 results, sorry. So you have only limited pages here. What if all these pages are done? We'll talk about it. But for now, there are only limited pages because this site is not that famous like Flipkart. For Flipkart, we had a lot of results. But whatever, how much you get, never be worried about the less number of results that you get. In fact, that is a positive signal. Why? Because the competition for the keyword is very less. That's why results are not there. So you don't have to do hundreds of forum discussions at all. Probably even with 5-10 backlinks from the forums, you'll be able to see a good impact in the rank, because this keyword is as such where the number of results are very less. Means the competition is very less. Open one by one each of these pages and then target the backlinks. I'm going into those sites where my account is already created long back. Because registration and login is must before you could post the link. So these are all on Baby OI. Firstly, login. Okay, I'm already logged in now. I go back to the page. So select anyone, let's say so someone has even posted a link. Reply. So you're going to find a link called as reply or new reply, post reply. Click on that. And then here you can give some meaningful message along with the link. Okay. No HTML tags are allowed. We may not allow the link. Let us still try. Maybe not with anchor text, but directly plain URL we can get a link. If you do not understand what to type, you can even ask questions. So the page for which I want a backlink is this one. Okay. Now here, because it's not allowing ahref code, I am only placing the plain URL, but whether the link will get formed or not, only after posting it you will get to know. Not allowing. So this is only in the plain text form. We haven't got a backlink, but maybe some people will visit this page, and like that you can get visitors, but this is not a backlink. This is not allowing the link. Maybe some more messages I need to post, only then links will be allowed. Let us target some other site. Digital Janta Forum. So I've already used these sites for submission in the previous batches. So firstly login. Now that I'm logged in, I need to search for the topic where the discussion is regarding my keyword. Baby OA. Here I've already posted before. You can use the same site to submit more. This is my backlink which already got approved in 2017. Good, still there. So there's no point in placing the backlink again. Target different page. You can submit multiple backlinks in the same website, but in the different pages, not in the same page. Not open for further replies. Okay, not allowing the replies now. Okay, so it's locked. After certain replies, they may lock it. Here also the same case. Looks like all of them, it's going to be the same. Not open. Okay, there's a locked forum right now. Let's target some other site. This site, I do not remember the account. Online Sale Guru. So I'm going into the forum. See here, already I have posted links in all these pages if you are able to see. Sanju 250, Sanju 250. So you can target the same forum site but place the backlinks in different pages. Search for the page where the discussion is regarding your keyword. No results. There are no posts on baby oil, but at least something relevant to baby products or kits. If not 100% competitor link, at least partial competitor links we can have. Okay, so these are all relevant to the kids section. Okay. So from this page also I need a backlink. So what I do, reply. Along with the message, attach the backlink. Don't type the same message. Every time you are posting a reply, you have to keep on changing the content, though core meaning may remain the same. Now this is where my keyword is. So I need to make it in the form of a link and give the address of the destination page. Insert. Post reply. So here, this is where my message has automatically been approved. But what is interesting is that the link is already approved by default. So I've already got one competitor backlink from a page which is relevant to my keyword, that is baby products. This is the way that you need to acquire a backlink from forum. Let's try more. So I need to first log in. So there is some discussion regarding the baby oil in their forum pages. I'm going into that page. Then post a reply. Along with the reply, attach the backlink. I also want to target baby oil discount code. So this one I want in the form of a link. So what I need to do, type AHREF code, whether he would allow or not, only post the reply we would get to know. So this is a page for which I want a link, and this should be the anchor text. Post reply, let's see. Not allowing the link. Let us edit and only place the URL and see. So this is a problem initially with the forum sites. They will not allow you link till you have completed at least few replies. Okay, there's a link option. It's there here. Looks good. Okay, approved. Good. So one more backlink approved here. Okay, some mistake I've done there. Always check the link after posting. So I have modified it. Let's check the link again. He's adding this extension automatically. So remove the extension. Let's see now. Okay, problem from CA Club itself is adding the .html. Okay, now here it did not add, but our page opens only with HTML. He's checking it all in caps after full stop. That's the issue. Let us try one last time. Some issue within their website. After dot, it is taking all in caps. Anyway, but this is the way that you need to form a link. The more sites that I remember, drill the deal. There's also a forum site on coupons. In case you do not find any topic relevant to your keyword, you can even go with start new topic. The start new topic will only come to authorized users. Let me log in. See if he's allowing me to start a new topic. Because along with the topic, you can easily attach the backlink. So you yourself can create a competitor page. This is where my keyword is. So because I have a toolbar, I can make use of the toolbar to form a link. There's a link here. Okay. Submit. Successfully submitted. Your post will be shown only after verification it is pending. So maybe after some time when you visit, you'll see that the first message is the topic what you have posted. So whenever you get a button as post a topic, it means that you are creating a thread. Within a forum, you are creating a page and everybody is going to post the reply to it and the thread will follow. Let us target the last site, Quora.com. This is the most famous forum site and the backlinks are very powerful from here. I'm already logged in. I need to go into the pages where the discussion is regarding my keyword. I want to target stock market training page. So I am searching here for stock market training. Someone is asking which institute is best for stock market training. You would always want to reply to such questions. So not only just backlink, you get lot of business also from these kind of sites. This is for the Mumbai. Mumbai we don't need. So someone is already replying here. You can also add your reply either through comment. So many replies are good. Always while that you are replying, act as though you are a visitor and you are recommending a company. Don't type a message as such that you yourself are recommending your product or service. You should be acting like a third party. That will get you always a better response. The message should be as such where the part of the message is your keyword. Make it in the form of a link. I need my stock market training page URL. Submit. So the message got approved instantly. Let's see if the link is working. Yes, it is. So this is again a backlink from Quora, and Quora backlinks are very powerful. You want one more backlink, you got to reply to another page of Quora. Don't place the backlink in the same page. Place it in different pages where the discussion is regarding your keyword. Do not place multiple links in the same forum website in a same day. Today that I placed one backlink in Quora, again tomorrow I can place another link. If you have a different account, different IP address, then one more you can in a different page. Don't place multiple links in the same URL. Now these pages are 100% relevant to your keyword. They may be already good in SEO, performing on the top in Google. That will give you even more boost. A lot of people may be in search of this. They are coming through Quora by searching here. Some of them will be able to read that. Click here and visit your website. Then maybe some conversions will come. That is a secondary advantage. But we are doing this primarily because these backlinks are going to push our ranking pretty fast. We want as many backlinks as possible from such kind of sites. This is what is forum discussions. So create your own list of the sites by the code that I have given you. Every day, minimum 5 forum discussions you need to do. In each site only one. That entire setup I'll be giving you by tomorrow's class. How you should be planning your off-page work, how many submissions each step and all that. But for now, for this step, remember 5 forum discussions per day for your website, whichever keyword you want to target, whichever page you want to target. Till when? Continuously you have to do it till you get your web page on the top rank. There is no end. Step number 5, 6, 7, there is no end. Till you do, the visitors will improve. You stop it, the visitors flow will remain like that or may slightly increase because of the internet penetration and population growth. But in order to sustain on the top, little bit of backlink supply should be there time to time. Now I am saying 5 submissions per average doesn't mean that every day you do 5, 5, 5, 5. Maybe if you do not have time, then in weekend you can do 20 forum discussion and then take a break for 4, 5 days. Average 5 submissions per day. You do 20 submissions today in different forum sites. You have list of 1000 sites in the Excel sheet. So do it into 20 different sites today itself. The next 3 days you don't have to do anything. So on an average 5 forum backlinks have to be placed. The approval rate is 50% means you are only going to get 2 to 3 backlinks every day. Each day from forum you are going to get 2, 3 approved backlinks, which is sufficient. Our main focus is step number 6, that is, step number 5, that is block commenting. Now coming to the final topic of the link building, Google hacking URLs. What exactly is Google hacking URLs? There are certain code, when you search through it, you will be getting filtered results. We have known that competitor backlinks are strong, high page rank backlinks are important, very good Alexa rank backlinks are important, less external link web pages backlinks are important. Almost all of this we have seen, but we haven't yet seen how to get high authority backlinks. .edu, .gov, .org, these are called as high authority backlinks. Each .edu link .edu link is equivalent to 10 .com links. 1 .gov is equals to 5 .com links. 1 .org and .mil, mil means military, is equivalent to 3 .com links. 1 .net link is equivalent to 2 .com links. So the weightage is divided here. For SEO, .com sites are much better than .net, but when it comes to backlinks, the power of .net link is double the power than .com. Why so? Don't know the reason. Now I've searched it a lot, but no reason has been found. But yes, it is that .net links are more powerful than .com. So acquiring these kind of high authority domain links, these are called as high authority domains, is also very much important for your web page. So how do we get that? Let us start with the basic code like this, then we'll begin with the high authority links. Let me close all this so that the results are delivered faster. If I want the list of blog relevant to my keyword, where the chances of getting a do follow backlink is very high. I told you that you'll be getting mix of do follow, no follow, but because there are rumors which says that do follow backlinks may be more powerful than no follow in future, I want to target lot of do follow backlinks. So what I can do in Google, I can search with this fashion. List of do follow backlinks for shopping in URL :blog. Now when you open these results, they are going to give you the list of the websites which are based on shopping. They are going to give the list of the sites which are based on shopping from where you can acquire a link. This is what a lot of SEO professionals do. Okay, I don't recommend this, but for knowledge we are just seeing it. These are all the list of the sites. Link type is do follow. So you can directly go into these sites and comment. Why the reason I say that I don't like this list? Because we are anyway targeting the pages which are already ranking on top. I'm not bothered what is the DAPA of the website from where I'm getting a backlink. I only know one thing, that my competitor is on the top, means his profile is the best in SEO perspective. So I need to get a backlink at any cost from there. I don't have to see what is DAPA. They are ranking on top means everything is good. But those people who may not know how to use the SEO quick and then get the confined results and then downloading the Excel sheet, for them probably these kind of codes are useful. But for knowledge purpose you must know. So this is a way that you can filter the do follow list of the websites relevant to your keyword. Coming to the advanced codes, these are important for us. The next slide, this one. If you want edu backlinks, you need to search in this fashion, site:.edu. All the results will be only .edu. Then in URL:blog, it is, the spaces are important. In URL:blog means all the results are going to be blog. Post your comment means where the commenting option is present and whatever is your keyword that you give here. So with this entire search term, what you are going to get? Only edu results which are blog where commenting is possible based on your keyword. So let's see. Remember I told you that we can't access beyond 1000 results in the search engine. But by end of the class I also told you that 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, like that we can access almost all the results. So let us start with this code. I want all the results to be edu. So in site:.edu, and they have to be all blog. So in URL:blog, and they have to be based on my keyword, let's say Android, where there is a option to post a comment. $440 results are only there. So in edu category, based on your keyword, in blog there are 400 sites, 440. So one by one you can open in each of the site and you can post a comment. That is your step number 5. Likewise, you want .org, .info. These are all .org, right from the first till the last. 9840 results are there, but we can download only the top 1000. But imagine for each extension we can download the top 1000. .net. All the extensions are .net based on your keyword where commenting is possible. So though there are 18,000, but only 1000 we can download. Like this, how many can we? There are 400 plus extensions. On each extension, you can download the top 1000 competitors list in the Excel sheet. So imagine 1000 into 400 is 4 lakh blog commenting also you can do easily. Let me tell you, this may be only for knowledge. Our keyword is not so tough that we have to do so many blog commenting. But yes, you want page rank 5, 6, 7, then yes, you have to target this list. In fact, more than this. So another set of hacking URL code. Forum. If you want forums, just replace blog with forum. .370 forum pages are there where the discussion is regarding your keyword. Whether .net, .com, .info, all of that you can target. So how many? 4 lakh forum discussions also you know how to do it. Now, what should be the code in order to get free blogger pages in the results? I want to get a backlink from the free blogspot sites. So here the code has to be I don't have to type in URL colon blog because blogspot means it is a blog. So I just type here site colon dot blogspot.com. This is what happens. Google thinks that we are hacking all the results. So 1, 2, 3 times those captcha will come. Then Google will not work for few hours. It's a temporary block to your IP address. But that doesn't matter. It will resume after 2, 3 hours. Again, you can start hitting the code. All these are Blogspot results based on your keyword where commenting is possible. So like this, you can download top 1000 free Blogspot sites, like that free WordPress sites. These are all WordPress sites. 10,800 are there. We can download only top 1000. The tier 2 codes. I want to access even the rest of the results. So let's say I want to target .info websites. I want to target .info websites based on my keyword where commenting box is present, and all those sites must have been developed in Blogger. My condition has changed now. Before it was a general blog which could be using n number of technologies, but I want Blogger specific .info websites based on my keyword where commenting is possible. So what I do here, site colon .info is clear because I want all the extension to be .info. But I want all of them only to be Blogger sites, so I add a phrase here as powered by Blogger. 9,690 are there. You can download only the top 1000. But imagine only in Blogger, in .info there are 1000. The previous one was the general one. So like this 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, altogether how many? 4 lakh private Blogger sites also you can target. 4 lakh private Blogger sites in .info extension based on your keyword. So likewise WordPress, powered by WordPress. So like this almost endless number of results you can get it. Again to say, it may be only for knowledge. Never have used so many big list of sites. My keyword is not so tough. Better you do. You spend more time in keyword research rather than targeting all these sites. In future, whenever you may be running an organization or you may be running your own SEO company, you'll have to assign the work to your employees. Never tell them how you have got the list of the websites. Because the secret in SEO is not knowing that competitor backlinks is the weakness of search engine. Everybody knows this weakness. You ask even a 6 months candidate, he will say that yes sir, competitor backlinks is a key to success in SEO. But if you ask him how do you get the list of the competitor pages, he is blank there. And remember the word we are using, hacking, but these codes have been authorized by the search engine. They work not only in Google but in every search engine. But they say that limit is 1000, not beyond that. But when you know it, make use of it. Same code works in even Yahoo Bing, but you'll get more results in Google, so it makes no sense in searching in other search engines. First of all, first target what we have seen in the yesterday's class, day before yesterday's class, blog commenting. That is the within the crowd of blog, which are all the type of the sites and who are already ranking on top, where there's a mix of Blogger, WordPress, Magento, Drupal, everything. But they are the top 1000 among the crowd. Firstly, finish that. And by that, definitely you have to get top rank, even if you have average talent in keyword research. But you know you have chosen a generic keyword, then you'll have to come this deep. And let me tell you, this is only tip of the iceberg. There are several such codes, so for which I have given you a notepad file in my folder by name Google Hacking URLs. More Google Hacking Advanced Searches is the file name. We are only known about Blogger and WordPress, but there is another software by which you can create a blog called as Express Engine. Like that, there is one more called as blogengine.net. Imagine these are only sample. You can have your own extension here. There are more than 450 extensions. Each extension you can have 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, like that, endless list. Wherever it is written your keyword, in that place put your topic. When you give minus, those pages will not come where those phrases are there. So minus must be logged in and all that. That means pages where guest commenting is allowed. So these are the different ways to find out EDU GOV sites in blogs. Then these are the different ways to find out WordPress sites. Typepad is also a software. Typekey, Typepad. There is a way to get only Typepad software based websites. Then Blogspot, we have already discussed this. This is the private WordPress sites. Likewise, even directory sites also you can find. Directly it will lead you to that directory submission page where the submissions are regarding your keyword, where your competitors have submitted. Firstly, target the list I have given in the Excel sheet. That is the cream of the cake. Finish that, then come here. Like we have seen Blogger, these are all for the forums. Simple Machines Forum, PunBB, PHBB, BB means bulletin board. Here you can add all the extensions, site:/.edu, .gov, .in, like that for each of them. So 4 lakh into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 into 7, 28 lakh forum discussions, you know how to do it. Because 400 extensions are there, each extension 1000. This is an article submission site. So maybe this is only for knowledge and all. You must know how the big websites who are targeting high page rank explore the competitor pages. This is the way to do it. There is no other way. This is the only way. And less than 1% SEO professionals know these kind of codes. So whenever you are working with your say colleague or whatsoever, you may be employed or running your own organization, remember always, rather than leaking this code, download the list in the Excel sheet and tell them that this is the work you need to do. Definitely they'll be having that kind of anxiety, the information to know from where have you got the list. The moment you say that, the secret is leaked. Because here the secret is not knowing that competitor backlinks are strong. The secret is getting those lists of the pages which are your competitors. Now comes the final part of the Google hacking URL. The most valuable backlink in the universe of SEO is this deadly combination. What is that? A high authority competitor backlink, do follow in nature, coming from a new page with least number of external links. All the 6 points that we have seen for the backlink, that should match in a backlink. For that, there is only one way, and that is to search in this fashion. That is only possible through profile, and that too only forum profile, because in EDU GOV you don't have any social websites. Your profile backlinks are either from social sites or from forums. So we want a high authority, do follow backlink relevant to our keyword from a new page with fast indexing, with least number of external links. For that, this is the code you need to enter in the search box. In the top 1000 results, there will be a scope of only 40 to 50 results. Again, I remind, out of the top 1000, there is a scope only up to 40 to 50 results where there is a possibility to get a backlink. We need to, after you have searched with this code, you will have to open one by one each of the result and go into the registration page of the forum and find out if there is a signature box. If there is no signature box, skip it, then it is of no use to us. That means that particular site may not be allowing links in the profile. Only selected 10-20% forum sites will allow links in the profile. Others don't have that website link option at all. So in the registration page itself, you can see whether signature box is there or not. Let us see practically. Both of these code are similar. Anyone you can enter wherever you are getting maximum number of results. Remember yesterday I showed you some EDU GOV links. I got it through this method itself. So you'll have to open one by one each of them. In the top 1000, only around 40-50 sites will be there where you have a registration form, and that is also offering a signature. Some of the backlinks will be like this: Harvard University, Mississippi University, Stanford University. Those backlinks are like bullets for SEO. Very quickly your page can rank on top. Each link is like a bomb. So it will give a big boost in the ranking. One link. Register. International Space University. So though I have gone to registration, but hardly there are two fields, no signature box, so no use. This is again a registration page. Yes, there is signature. So if it is there, let it stay. Create account. No signature, leave it. No use. Register. Some issue with the website. Not working. Not working. So only one result we got. Let's see more. Like that, you will be giving edu, gov, org. No registration. Here there is, but is there a signature box? No. So cancel. Registration. Directly reply, no registration option here. Register. Agree. Is there a signature box? No. No signature box, no use. No registration page found. Only login. Okay, anyway, so once you open those top 1000 results, at least you'll be finding some 40-50 pages having this kind of registration form where there's a signature box. What do you have to do? Starting with the username, you should be giving your keyword in the username, because we have already discussed this point in the profile class, because this will directly go into the URL from where you'll be getting a link. So point number 1 to be noted: in the username, mention your keyword. The rest of the details as it is, whatever you want. You can't have spaces in the username. If your keyword has got spaces, use underscore or hyphen. Both these characters are allowed in username. Wherever there is space in the keyword, in respect of that place, give underscore. Picture are mandatory, only fill that. Signature is not mandatory, but for us it is mandatory. This signature box, you have to type the AHREF code of backlink. Whenever you are posting any reply in the forum pages, at the bottom automatically the signature will get added. That means in your every message, you don't have to place any backlink. That backlink will come automatically attached by the signature. So here I am going to type the AHREF code for which I want a backlink. And then you have to make sure before you are submitting. Okay, here there is no option, but in some forum pages it will be asking an option: enable HTML, enable links. So select all of them yes, and then click on register. This is going to create an 100% auto approve do follow competitor backlink coming from the new page with least number of external links, a high authority backlink. All the points of the strong backlinks are matching with this kind of sites. So what you are going to do, immediately ping that profile URL so that the backlink will get indexed pretty fast. Now Once that the backlink is formed, you have pinged it, the backlink will also get indexed, you'll be able to see in the webmasters. The work doesn't end here. Majority of these high authority websites, they will flush out the dormant accounts. That means if you are not active, maybe after a month or 2 months or 3 months, they will delete your profile, they'll delete your account, and along with that the page gets deleted, the backlink gets deleted, and the ranking may get impacted. So what do you have to keep in mind? You have to make sure that the profile is always in an active mode, for which at least once a month login. Just go into this website, login, and post 1-2 reply in their forums. With every reply, you'll be getting a backlink through signature. But that's not important. We want a profile backlink. That's why we added a signature there. It will be visible in your profile page. But in order to make your profile to keep in an active mode, once in a month login and post some dummy replies, meaningful replies, but reply at least one in a month. So maintain the list of the sites where you have got already a backlink from the high authority domain in an Excel sheet, so that you get to know that every month where and all you need to log in. You want one more login, create one more registration. How many accounts you are creating? Like Google Plus I have shown you. How many accounts you are creating, that many backlinks you can get from different pages of the same website. But very important point, don't create multiple accounts from the same system. I'm not saying same day. Once that I've created an account here, then I should be creating another account from a different IP address from a different system, or maybe from mobile. Because most of these sites, Edu, GOV, are very sensitive to spam. They see that 2 accounts have come from the same IP address, they'll delete both of them. I had a lot of tough time initially when I did not know about these points. So make sure once that you have used this site, for every different device and internet connection only, you are going to use the same site again. I can use the same system to open account in different forum sites if they allow with the signature. Because this data will not be shared with this data will not be shared with this. But the same site, I want one more backlink, change the system, change the net connection. So how much different IP address you have got, that much advantage you can take with this step. That is all for today. In case of doubts, please use the audio control.